I've talked about growing blueberries here in Hawaii, and it is definitely doable. The plants respond pretty well to local conditions if you treat them right and you got the right varieties. But the one problem that we really have here with blueberries, and it is the birds. The birds will eat everything on you. You will not get a berry if you can't protect them. So I kind of got tired of the whole situation. I went ahead, found myself 2 nice straight Vivy poles and some strawberry guava out back there. Pounded them in the earth, put a couple cross tees on top. I could have used, green treated farmer fence post, but the price of that stuff is pretty high. We got plenty of this Vivy around here like a weed, so I used the strawberry guava, and then we got some cords going across that are supporting knotted nylon multi-strand netting. It's got a 1-inch mesh. Let me get a little closer so you can see it. Right here, hopefully you can see the mesh. There's some water droplets hanging in it. This should keep just about any bird out of here. And I did make it so it's high enough that I only have to lift it from the back side over here off the ground and duck inside, and I can actually pick and work my blueberries from the inside without having to move the netting. Just kind of let myself in there. This should work. It should keep all of them pesky birds off of my blueberries. We'll see. It wasn't too expensive. Cord was just laying around here. The wood was free. I spent maybe, I don't know, $30 or something on the net. It was a 25 by 50, and they are actually multi-strand nylon knotted. So this is pretty good stuff. It's a lot better than that silly extruded plastic netting, and that's for sure. It was fairly slippery and pretty easy to handle. The only complaints I have about this stuff is where I set it down over here on my stick mulch. You can see all the sticks, man, they just got stuck in this stuff. I was out here going crazy just before the rain broke out, trying to pull all them sticks out of my netting so I could unfurl it. The other thing that gets stuck in it too, and it's the large red lava rocks in the driveway. They also embed themselves in it. So perhaps having an extra hand or two to put this stuff up would make it a lot easier. I did it solo, and it wasn't the easiest project, but it's done. It's done. The rain is coming, and I am finished hanging it, and we have blueberries in here. You can see there are blueberries in the bushes. Now, I did damage a few of them when I was putting this over, but not too bad. Not too bad. Yep, and we're going to hope for more form underneath. Should be enough room there for the pollinators to get in and take care of pollinating the flowers, so we'll see. Huh? Blueberries on my pancakes.